Hello all. I welcome you all for the business model canvas on DeepSeek. So in this video, we'll see the business strategy adopted by DeepSeek. So to give an introduction, DeepSeek is a AI-based company from China. So they are a open source platform, meaning the AI models which they develop are released openly in the internet along with their model weights. So there are two different types of AI. One is OpenAI and another is closed AI. So vendors like OpenAI, ChatGPT, Gemini are all closed AIs. So meaning that they don't release their models to the general public. So ChatGPT till GPT-4o were releasing their models to the general public. But after that, they stopped releasing the model. Similar with Google and Claude was closed source from the beginning. So the advantage of this open source models is that anyone can adopt these models to their usage. So they can use them from their own hardware provided that they have necessary GPU setup from their system itself. So they are a low cost solution for many AI enthusiasts. So let's see the business model canvas of DeepSeek. So the key partners for them is they need some infrastructure like cloud infrastructure, data centers, GPUs, etc. So for them, cloud and data centers, they are collaborating with Huawei Cloud, Volcano Engine, etc. For GPU, they rely on NVIDIA, Huawei, etc. So GPU is a integral part of any AI system. So based on the GPU, only the tokens can be generated much faster. Then they combine with research institutions and universities for their scholarly work. So if they are able to develop a new model, they need assistance of mathematical professors, computer science professors. So for them, they collaborate. Then open source community, as I said, since DeepSeek is an open source platform, they rely on open source community for their work. Then moving to key activities, what they do is their main thing is research and development of large language models. So other than large language models, they also do training and optimization of models, inference service, API delivery. So they keep on releasing open source model, then they have to have some source of income. So for that, what they do is they do API delivery, application processing interface. So from that, what the application programming interface service. So using their API, a low cost API service, you can adapt it to your business environment. Model alignment and safety. So like that, many work is done. Then key resources. What are their key resources are advanced large language models like DeepSeek LLMs, high performance GPU cluster. So those are the resources needed by them. They need high performance GPUs. Similarly, proprietary data centers are needed to carry out their day-to-day work. Data centers are required. Then value proposition. Their value proposition are from the beginning they are open source and adaptable. Though I said OpenAI was open source to a certain period of time, now it has become cost model. But from the beginning, DeepSeek has been a open source platform. So what are their customer relationship? They interact with many open source communities to to get the betterment of their models. And customer segments. So there are multiple customer segments. So first thing is general users. So for them, the model is open source. Whereas if you go for an enterprise, then they offer API-based services. For example, for fintech, healthcare, etc., they provide the custom models based on the user demand. So for that, they will be charging the cost. So that is their revenue stream as well as customer segments. And cost structure, so developing an LLM is not a simple task. It needs huge amount of resources and huge amount of manpower. So those come under the cost structure. So to mitigate this cost structure, they have to have some revenue stream, because without revenue stream, no company can run. So for that revenue stream, they are using APIs usage, as I said, pay as you go, subscription plans. So based on subscription plan, their cloud service, if you are to use their cloud services, then you have to pay some amount. So like that, for enterprises, they are providing custom solutions. So from those streams, they are getting their revenue. So I hope you understood the business model Canva of opens a DeepSeek. Thank you.